The black nightshade is a small, delicate, erect annual herb that contains smooth and soft branches and stems. Black nightshade powder is a traditional herb that provides effective treatments for many diseases. It is a small annual plant with various medicinal properties and health benefits. The juice helps in treating piles and Nirkavai problems. It is useful to treat dropsy. It improves the secretion and discharge of urine. Either it can be used as a decoction or as a vegetable in the treatment of various diseases. A decoction of the plant is used as an anodyne or pain reliever for washing inflamed, irritated, and painful parts of the body. Buy organic products at moolihai.com.